Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create or remove user accounts on MacBook Air M4. In order to do it, you need to first go to the settings, of course. So if you don't have them at your dock, you can just click on the Apple logo and go to system settings. Then go to it's gonna be in the users and groups. Then find you can either enable the guest user. So the guest user is if you give your laptop to someone with a guest user enabled, they can just use it and won't have access to your own data. And if they have their data, if they download any files, create any files, once they log out, the data will be removed. So this will be sort of a temporary account. So until they log off, it will just stay with these files, and when they log off, it'll delete everything. But you can, and to do it, you just need to click on the eye icon and allow guests. But you can also create an actual user by clicking on add user, then entering your admin account password first. Then you can just enter the full name of the user. By the way, you can also select whether that user will be an administrator, standard, or for sharing only. So I'm gonna set the standard user. Then the account name can be changed, but it will also be generated automatically. Then the password is required. Now you need to verify that password, so just retype it in. Now you can also set a password hint, but that's not mandatory. Then you can click on create user. And now the user has been created, and you can easily switch to that user by either clicking on the users button on the status bar, then switching to that, or you can just click on the power button on your laptop quickly, or quickly, not to shut it down, to just lock it, or click here on the Apple logo, then click on lock screen. And now you can hover over the account, select the different one, then log into it. And as you'll notice, it won't have my files from my main account. And if this account creates any other files or has different settings or anything, of course, they will be only on that account. So now you can set up some accessibility features if you need them for that account. I'm gonna click on Not Now. Then just information about the data and privacy. Now you can also sign in to Apple account on that account, but I'm gonna click on Setup later and then skip. But for resetting the laptop, only the main user account will be needed. Then I'm gonna set up later the screen time, and I'm just gonna click on continue, or back. I'm just gonna click on setup later here as well. Then you can also set up Touch ID. I'm gonna set it up later. Okay, let's click on setup later, continue. Now choose your look. I'm gonna choose the dark one. Continue. And now the account was created. It has different settings. You can see the dock is bigger. There's no files that I had on my main account. And now as I switch back into my main account, which is an admin, so that makes me able to remove that account later or create more. I'm gonna sign in with the Touch ID. Now I can just go to users and groups, and if I want to delete a user, click on the eye icon, then click on delete user. Now you can save the home folder in a disk image. You can click on don't change the home folder or delete the home folder. So I'm gonna delete the home folder, then click on delete user. Okay, and I think it's deleted even though it has shown me the error. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.